discuss PowerPoint, Word, and Excel using Microsoft Office 365. To access Office 365, you can simply go to www.office.com and log in using your Microsoft account to get 1 month free trial. And that should be enough for you to work on the subsequent modules. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can register for a new account using this link. If you would like to purchase your own copy of Office 365 instead of using the trial version, you can click on this button to purchase a version of Office 365. If you are a student, you can try to get a free copy of Office 365 by visiting this link and enter your school email address here to try to get a free copy for education. And notice that you can only get a free copy for education only if your school has subscribed to the service. After you log into Office 365 using your Microsoft account, you will go to this page. In the subsequent modules, we will talk about PowerPoint, Excel, and Word.